there. I'm Phil Redneck here. Well, Mateo, hopefully this audio is working. I got a new microphone. Working with a new camera. And let me move in and show you what we're working on. So this is my tool cart. Courtesy of one of those traveling tool sales things. Well, the wheels that came on it, I have one here. As you can see, these things not real good for gravel and dirt. Work great on concrete, they don't work great on gravel and dirt. Well, the legs were here. I whacked them off level with this surface. A reason for that. I am giving this thing an upgrade. Of that. From this, from this to this. That's right, pneumatic tires. Well, because this is relatively flimsy, I'm putting a board here for all the weights supposed to rest on the post. That's where the original wheels are. And all the posts will rest on this board. And the wheel is going to be attached to the board, drilled through here, and bolted down. Nice long bolts. Resource, that's the plan. Yep, they're long enough. Alright. So, let me get things set up here. I gotta figure out exactly how I'm gonna install these wheels, because the bolts have to have room in the drawer area here. In the shelf area, I have to have room for the bolts. I still want the tires as far out to the sides as I can get them. So I'm trying to figure out the best layout. I think it's going to be like this. Let me adjust you so y'all can see what we're talking about. Now this video will get edited to cut out some of the stuff that just don't work right. Alright. Zoom y'all in here if I can. There we go. There we go. Hopefully you're stable enough. My idea is to mark where I'm going to put the bolts, drill holes all the way through. I think I have my drill out here. I should. I do. Okay. Marking stick. A marking stick will come in here. Now, like I said, hopefully this is all coming out because, well, I don't have a good way to monitor it and record at the same time. Not a real good way, anyway. Move that over off the side. Okay. I'm going to pause you off for just a second while I get things ready. Alright, let's drill some pilot holes here.
Have to do some again.
Trying to get centered up somewhat here. I'm doing pilot holes so they can get through the metal. Now, see what I mean? Didn't mark the other side first. So let me get the other side marked. And we can have all of them drilled at once. I'm afraid if I say like that, the holes are going to come out inside the leg where I can't mount, or I can't put a bolt. How much weight this thing will actually be carrying is up to debate, because tools and parts can weigh quite a bit. They can. Yes, this pencil has seen better days. Alright. Now for the next size bit. Well, guess that battery is dead. Be right back. Alright. Got some fresh battery in here. Hopefully that didn't really move much, I hope. One way to keep it from moving. That hole should be bigger than that. That hole collapsed in. Well, now that's weird. So next size up. Because apparently, one size up from the size of the boat in wood ain't enough. Alright. It's still being stubborn. Don't know why. It ought not be, but it is. One in there. And we'll go over here. The one in here. Yes, this wood may be slightly damp. There. That should hold the board in place while I drill the rest. Okay, that should be all the holes for this side. Should be. Now, fun part. Get these bolts I just drove down in there out. Sounds to me like some of my neighbors are having fun. I'm kind of jealous of them. Just use a brush instead of my hand to knock those splinters off, because that's a good way to get splinters in my hand. And let me tell you something. That would be exceedingly uncomfortable. Okay, now for the fun part. I do not want to have to put this up on its side, but I might have to. There's one. That one's going to be stubborn, of course. When it comes to me, I have found that the inanimate takes a perverse pleasure in being stubborn. Don't know why. It just do. Ugh. Dadgummit. I done do it. See how many of y'all can guess what I do. The answer's sitting right in front of you. Got to put the washers on. Now, I'm not going to film the whole thing, so I will make this video way too long. I get this one put on, and we'll pause it and bring it back once in a while. The longer the video is, the longer it takes my computer to chew on it, to do the editing, and it takes about 5 times as long to upload it. Because my internet is not exactly blazing fast. I have really nice download speeds, but to say my upload speeds suck would not be an understatement. Well, this ain't gonna work well. Huh. I have extra washers. Hopefully, at 25, ain't gonna be enough extra. God damn it. How about, wouldn't you figure the bolts would be too daggone long? Now I can put them in the other way, and they will clear. Of course, they're going to be sticking up in the shelf, but you know, that's what's going to have to be. Because otherwise, the bolts are too long. This is not how I wanted to put them on, but oh, this is going to be a pain in the butt too. They clear that way. Still a pain in the butt. I tell you what, don't clear by much. Sometimes my stupidity amazes even myself. Come off it. Me, I'm just an idiot. Washers gotta go on the inside. What I do with the washers is to help keep it from pulling through the metal of the base. It's been one of those days, folks. I have not had a fun day. I have not. We got a bunch of new idiotic rules at work that we have to adhere to. We might get something done if we could get out of our own dadgum way. But because other people have made mistakes and caused spills, my shop, who does the majority of the transfers, has to pay the price. They implement new rules that primarily just inconveniences us.
But
I won't say they make anything really all that much safer. I don't think they do.
Cool.
But my opinion is not much thought of. I mean, why should I know anything about it? I've only been doing it for 30-some years. You know what? You show me someone who doesn't have a single complaint about their workplace, and I'll show you someone who's a pathological liar.
Right.
Everyone has at least one complaint about their workplace.
Right.
It might be a minor complaint or it might be a major complaint, but they'll have a complaint about their workplace. I guarantee it. All right. So that's the basics of what it's going to be. I'm going to turn the camera off and through the magic of editing, y'all flash back, all four of these will be on. Ow! This gravel's hard on the knees. One more. All right. And that, my friends, is literally that.
So,
The wheels, they be on. He's hoping they work the way they're supposed to. We're going to zoom y'all out. I can figure out the button. We already zoomed out. She already zoomed out. Let me move this back a little, I guess. Okay. Yeah. That's how it's going to be. All right. Moment of truth, folks. Is it going to work?
come on.
All right. Now, you know what?
Well, nice.
That looks like a work cart. Could be a little more stable, but it's still a work cart. All right. Let's get y'all a walk around view now.
Got it.
See, like I said, this is a El Cheapo work cart. Here's the front.
Nice.
She's got a little single drawer, which the sides need some airing. It needs some love. I do not believe that's why I paid for it. So I believe this was a display model. You see it with a Cummins. It was one of those discount tour truck things. Yeah, it's all dirty. It's been sitting in storage. But now, I do believe it should be sturdy enough. What do y'all think? I think that'll work. I hope that'll work. I guess we'll find out, won't we? Anyway, such as it is, that's the back of it.
Solid.
They put y'all back in the tripod. Pull back a little bit. There we go. Now y'all can see me.
Steady.
Hey, rolls around. Even on this rough gravel. Maybe a little too round. Looks like it, yeah. Tipping could be an issue. Show you an issue here. I just identified that it's something I'm not just going to have to deal with. Y'all see that? The wheels is hitting. But
Picture it.
we're just going to have to deal with it. Because short of building a bigger base out on it, I don't see is where much can be done about that. And I can position the wheels to make it stable. Don't know if y'all can see me. I can't see my screen. No, you can't see me. Go figure, right? There's going to be some editing here. All right. So, that's the new wheels on my work cart. Are they perfect? Nope, they ain't. Will it work for what I need? I do believe so. Yeah, when it's in a certain configuration, it has a tendency to want to flip over. I just gotta be careful about that. But the fact is, I can put my tools on it and roll them around. I just gotta be careful, because you might want to do that. I might change one set of the casters out for the solid, for the straight wheels. I don't know. I'm not sure that would help much, because they would be in line with it lengthwise. That being said, the old wheels had the same problem. If you hit a pothole or something, it would blow over. It wouldn't care. So it's not like that's a new problem with this particular tray. That having been said, it'll still work for what I need to do, which is hold my tools up off the ground here inside the shed. Anyway,
Sure.
I'm going to have to get this video edited and get it posted up. It's probably not going to happen there. Today's Friday, April 5th. It'll probably be a couple days before y'all see this. I hope to have it up by Sunday. Whether that'll happen or not, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thank y'all for joining me. Until next time, Grumpy Old Redneck saying, y'all be safe.